How to add DoorDash gift card. For this, make sure that your DoorDash is up to date. Now, open your Play Store first and foremost, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, tap Open to your DoorDash app. To sign in or logged in, similarly tap on any of this option. The easy one is to continue with Google. Once you are logged in, at the bottom you should find the option of Account. Tap on Account. From this list, you will see the option called Gift Card. Tap on Gift Card. If you don't have a gift card, you can buy a gift card by tapping on this Buy Gift Card option at the top. From there, you have to connect to your credit or debit card and you can buy a gift card for you. If you already have a gift card, at the bottom in this box highlighted, as you can see, it has written, redeem it with a gift card pin. Check for a pin in your gift card and add the pin in this dialog box right here. Once you have entered it, tap on Redeem Gift Card. And just like that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card in your DoorDash app. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give it a try and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.